Hi everyone, welcome once again to my channel. I am Chioma, and in today's episode we are making a very mouth-watering egg sauce. So if you really want to see how I made this delicious egg sauce, keep watching. Now let me introduce you to our ingredients. All these are what I will be using to prepare this egg sauce. Over here I have some eggs. I have some plum tomatoes, red bell pepper, habanero pepper, and one red onion. I have here salt and seasoning cubes. Here I have some curry powder, olive oil for frying. I have one yam to enjoy the sauce. Over here I have yellow pepper, green pepper, and spring onion just to be garnishing it. And here I have my basil. So that is it for the ingredients. Now let's just start the cooking. Okay, now I will go ahead to prepare my ingredients. I will start by cutting the onion. I'll also go ahead and cut the red bell pepper. And I will not be using the whole, I will just be using half of the red bell pepper. Just use according to the quantity of the sauce you are making. Okay, now I will go ahead and cut the tomatoes. For my sauce, I always like to cut my tomatoes, but if you prefer blending it, you can go ahead and also blend it. And I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thanks to all my subscribers. You guys are the best. We finally hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm so happy. And all that have shared my video, in fact, I'll be making a separate video on that because the support has been so amazing. Thanks to each and every one of you. I really appreciate so much. Okay, now over to our yam. I will start by cutting the yam. After cutting the yam, I will go ahead and peel it. But before then, I have prepared a bowl with water where I will be transferring them to avoid them from changing color. Okay, now I will start frying the sauce. Firstly, I'll add my oil. I'm using olive oil, but feel free to use any oil of your choice. Okay, when the oil heats, I'll go ahead and add our chopped onion. Now I will go ahead and add the tomato and the pepper. Then I will fry it until it's well fried. Okay, here we have the yam. They are now well washed. The next thing I will be doing, I will be transferring it to the pot that I will be using to cook it. And I will add salt to that. And I will just cover it and start cooking it. Okay, here our tomato has been frying for 10 minutes. I will cover it and allow it to fry for 2 to 3 more minutes. Okay, back to our sauce. You can now see the oil floating on top. It's a good sign that they are now well fried. So at this moment, I will be adding my non-seasoning cubes. I will just be adding one for now. Salt, curry powder, okay, over to the yam. You can now see they are okay now. They are now well cooked. So I will be draining the water. Okay, at this moment I will be adding the yellow pepper and the green pepper. And now I will be whisking our eggs. And after that, I will be adding them to our sauce. And I will not be stirring it at this moment. I will just cover it and reduce my heat. After some minutes, I will just give it a very little and gentle stir. Okay, finally the spring onion. And our basil. And that is it. Our egg sauce is ready. The aroma right now in my kitchen is wonderful. Wow, very delicious. And that is it for today. If you have enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Until we see you next time, bye bye.